Last weekend, it snowed over a foot in my city, and it became a winter wonderland. This amount of snow is a rare occasion, as it only snows a few inches at a time during the winter where I live. I absolutely love the snow, especially when it is fresh and the city is fully covered in a white blanket. I love waking up and seeing everything covered in a thick layer of white snow. There is so much peace after the snow covers the cars, houses, trees, playgrounds, and even the swimming pools. I love going on a walk in my local park as it is so quiet, taking steps through the snow and sinking in with every step. It feels like I'm walking on clouds. I love looking around and trying to find where all the wild animals are hiding, listening to the birds chirp and seeing the deer come out and explore the snowy mountain. I love taking my dogs on their walks on the fresh, soft snow and seeing them enjoy running through it, even if after a bit their feet start to freeze and I need to carry them back home. It is such a magical time when the snow first falls. I love watching it fall down. Walking through the snow or staring at it from my window brings me so much inner peace. Sometimes I pretend I'm still a kid and I go sledding down the mountain with my sister. I absolutely love it, even though I'm now an adult. Of course, with all the fun I can have in the snow, I still have to shovel my driveway and sidewalk to make sure it is safe for my neighbors to walk on, which is not the most fun task. However, as long as I play some music, I'm able to pass the time and I learn to enjoy this task as well. During cold days, I love eating cozy food to keep me warm and happy. On this snowy day, I started out with a big bowl of oatmeal with some fruit, seeds, and nut butter. Next, I prepared my delicious broccoli soup for lunch to help me defrost my body after spending a couple of hours outdoors, and I had some tofu on the side. For an afternoon snack, I heated up an apple crumble my mom prepared for me a couple days back, and I had it along with some homemade coconut yogurt. And finally for dinner, I heated up my favorite leftover chickpea curry. All this delicious food was perfect and satisfying for this snowy day. I truly cherish this beautiful day I got to spend exploring the winter wonderland created in my backyard.